if we have a receiver connected to our program, we can display AIS targets. And to do that, we're going to come to the ribbon here, select targets, and we're going to come to AIS Class A as well as AIS Others. Class A is required for vessels over 65 feet, as well as those commercially moving passengers, as well as those moving internationally. AIS Others is for AIS Class B, and that is an optional AIS transceiver. As of the time of this recording, no one is required to have that. Now the AIS targets have lots of information on them. So as we can see here, we have the Victoria Clipper 3, and because it's blue, I know it's AIS Class A. So I can hover over it and get a little bit of information. So as I can see its name, its position, the COG and SOG, the closest point of approach, as well as the time to closest point of approach, the range, bearing, as well as the last time it transmitted its location. If I double click on a target, what it's going to do is it's going to open up a dialog box that's going to allow me to see more information. So now I can see the name, the MMSI, the call sign, and as well as all the information I just saw, where its destination is, its vessel type, looks like the Victoria Clipper doesn't have that assigned, its vessel status, its heading, as well as if it's turning, and all that other information there. Now when we select an AIS target, by single clicking on it, we get the closest point of approach, time to closest point of approach graphic. So what that is represented by is these plus signs here in front of each boat, as well as if we mouse over this line here, it will give us that information. Or you can mouse over the plus, and it gives you the closest point of approach and time to closest point of approach. And then down here, we have a few AIS Class B, which are automatically going to be designated by green targets.